Have you ever dreamed of living multiple lives, from a royal vampire to a space pilot, without leaving your room? IMVU makes that possible. But what really makes the experience unforgettable is the roleplay. In this video, I'll show you 10 incredible IMVU roleplay ideas to level up your virtual life. Whether you're new or a pro, these ideas will help you stand out and keep the fun going. Stick around, because number 1 might just blow your mind. Introduction. Roleplay on IMVU is more than just acting. It's about creating immersive stories with other people. To bring you the best ideas, I focus on 4 things. How popular the roleplay is among users. How easy it is to start for new players. How deep the story can go with character building. The uniqueness of the setting or theme. And lastly, how fun and replayable it is long term. Let's count down from 10 to 1. You'll definitely find your next favorite by the end. Number 10, high school roleplay. Play as a student, teacher, or even a new kid. Perfect for teen drama, gossip, and relationships. Start scenes like first day at school, locker chats, or detention. Add cliques, jocks, nerds, goths, cheerleaders. Use classroom or hallway rooms with realistic props. Popular among younger IMVU players under 25. Events like prom, talent shows, and exams keep it interesting. Ideal for daily role-playing in small groups. Character arcs can grow semester by semester. It's relatable, lighthearted, and super fun. Number 9, Vampire Coven RP. Enter a dark, mysterious gothic world of vampires. Create your own vampire clans or ancient bloodlines. Room themes include castles, crypts, and candlelit halls. Popular year-round but peaks during Halloween season. Role-play dark rituals, blood feasts, and forbidden love. Use old-style language for immersive experience. Balance power levels between vampires and humans. Add hunters, witches, or rogue immortals for conflict. Keep lore consistent for deep storytelling. Perfect for fantasy lovers who enjoy dramatic tension. Number 8, city crime and law roleplay. Live in a crime-ridden city, full of tension. Pick roles like gang member, cop, civilian, or mayor. Use city rooms like streets, apartments, or stations. Great for suspense and high-action storylines. Economy-based, track cash, weapons, and property. Role-plays often include heists, chases, and betrayal. Cops and criminals create a cat-and-mouse dynamic. Very popular with mature users aged 18 to 30. Add a legal system. Trials, prison, and corruption. It's intense, fast-paced, and full of plot twists. Number 7, Royal Palace RP. Be part of a royal family, court, or noble house. Set scenes in castles, ballrooms, or gardens. Use period clothing like gowns and crowns. Popular for romantic and political drama. Characters include queens, knights, and servants. Storylines focus on betrayal, alliances, and legacy. Add war or arrange marriage to raise stakes. Royal banquets and tournaments add realism. Often used for long-term world-building RP. Elegant, powerful, and perfect for drama lovers. Number 6, Space Crew Sci-Fi RP. Travel the galaxy as a team of explorers or soldiers. Use spaceship rooms with control panels and gear. Play engineers, captains, or alien life forms. Add missions unknown planets or space wars. Tech-based plots like AI rebellion or alien invasion. Sci-fi RP is niche but growing in popularity. Use futuristic outfits and language. Customize ship rules, ranks, and alien races. Great for players who love strategy and action. Endless room to create your own universe. Number 5, Cafe or Restaurant RP. Run or visit a cozy coffee shop or upscale diner. Characters include chefs, baristas, waiters, and guests. Perfect for slice of life, casual storytelling. Popular in the IMVU community for chill vibes. Create menus, serve customers, or start drama. Use interactive props like food, cash registers, tables. Have special events like open mic night or cooking contest. Easy for beginners to join and enjoy. Low conflict but high on conversation. Relaxed, easygoing, and very replayable. Number 4, Celebrity Lifestyle RP. Live as a famous model, actor, or influencer. Mansions, red carpets, and luxury rooms set the scene. Characters can be stylists, agents, fans, or paparazzi. Role-play interviews, scandals, and premieres. Add drama with fame, jealousy, and fake friendships. Often used with fashion shows and photo shoots. A hit among users who enjoy glamour. Track social media followings in the RP plot. Create your own reality TV style storylines. Glamorous, dramatic, and always entertaining. Number 3. Apocalypse Survival RP. The world has ended, now what? Play survivors, scavengers, or hostile factions. Settings include ruined cities, camps, or bunkers. Storylines focus on trust, betrayal, and survival. Zombie RPs are especially popular in this genre. Track food, weapons, and health stats. Create plot arcs like infection spread or rebuilding society. Great for deep moral choices and alliances. Thrives in groups with creative long plots. Dark, gritty, and very immersive. Number 2, Mental Hospital RP. Set inside a psychiatric facility with mystery elements. Characters include patients, doctors, nurses, or guards. Explore themes of sanity secrets and dark pasts. Room design, white walls, security cameras, locked doors. Role-play therapy sessions, breakouts, and hallucinations. Very popular in thriller-style RPs. Plot twist potential is extremely high. Add hidden labs, corrupt doctors, or ghostly events. Works best with small, dedicated groups. Creepy, emotional, and unforgettable. Number 1, Fantasy Kingdom RP. Rule or rebel in a magical medieval world. Characters include elves, kings, mages, and warriors. Room ideas, enchanted forests, castles, battlefields. Popular due to creative freedom and magic themes. Mix romance, war, and magic systems. Create kingdoms, bloodlines, and rivalries. Use spells, dragons, or ancient artifacts. Great for epic quests and deep lore. Highly customizable for group storytelling. The ultimate RP for fantasy fans. Conclusion, that a wrap on our 10 best IMVU roleplay ideas. Each one offers a world of possibilities. It's all about your imagination. Whether you want drama, adventure, or chill vibes, there's a perfect RP for you. Try mixing ideas or building a custom world from scratch. The most important thing? Keep it respectful and creative. Drop your favorite RP style in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your RP squad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure. Stay creative and keep role-playing. Until next time.